If Outlook is freezing or showing the not responding error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple way to troubleshoot it step by step. This problem can happen because of a faulty add-in, a temporary glitch, or even a damaged Microsoft Office installation, but the good news is that you can usually fix it without too much hassle. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is launch Outlook in safe mode. Safe mode starts Outlook with the minimum files and features needed to run, which helps you figure out whether an add-in is causing the issue. To do that, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time on your keyboard. This opens the run box. In the run box, type outlook.exe/safe, then press enter or click OK. Outlook should now open in safe mode. If Outlook opens normally in safe mode, that is a strong sign that one of your add-ins is causing the not responding error. In that case, you can go into Outlook later and disable the add-ins one by one until you find the problem one. But if Outlook still keeps freezing or the not responding message still appears even in safe mode, then the issue may be deeper than an add-in. At that point, the next step is to repair Microsoft Office. To do that, open the control panel on your computer. You can search for control panel in the start menu if needed. Once you're in Control Panel, go to Programs, then click on Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list of installed programs, then right-click it and choose Change or Repair, depending on what your version shows. You should see a repair option, and in most cases, the Quick Repair option is the best place to start. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the repair process complete. After the repair finishes, restart your computer and open Outlook again to see if the error is gone. In many cases, this will fix the not responding problem and get Outlook working smoothly again. So to recap, first try opening Outlook with outlook.exe/safe using the run box. And if that works, look for a bad add-in. If it still doesn't work, repair Microsoft Office from Control Panel and check whether that resolves the issue. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.